Operation Gherkin?
Today we're gonna recreate a Kim Possible lipstick inspired look that will be subtle enough to wear with a casual makeup look. Start off with the most important step for this look, a nude lip pencil. Line the top lip and focus on the cupid bow area. My cupid bow is really pronounced, so it's not gonna look exactly right. But if yours is not as pronounced as mine, lining it like a little dome would look exactly like Kim Possible character's lips. Use a peach color on your top lip. Since the color is not too dark, it's easy to wear it with any look. For the classic red look, line your lips once again. This time apply a little bit of the same lip color on the bottom lip, right in the center, like so. For the berry look, line the top lip again and apply your lipstick to the top and bottom lip the same way as we've done with the red lip look. This time, take the nude lip liner and darken up the bottom lip line right in the middle.